Hey, what's up guys? It's Yoni, just here for another video. This time we are going to be talking about how to pay off your mortgage earlier. What's up guys, thanks for watching. First of all, as always, please like our videos, click subscribe, follow us on YouTube, follow us on Facebook. We make videos once a week and you will stay up to date with all of our new videos. This is going to be about how to pay off your mortgage early. It's not rocket science really, but it does take some discipline and some planning. So when you get a mortgage, whether it's a purchase or a refinance, we always recommend that you get a 30-year amortization. So that means your payments are broken up, your mortgage is broken up over 30 years. I know there's a lot of talk of 15 years and 20-year fixed rates, which are much lower rates, but makes your payment much higher, which is great because you'll pay off your mortgage much sooner. However, you can kind of get the best of both worlds. And from my perspective, from our perspective, here's the best way we think you should go about it. We still believe 15-year and 20-year rates and mortgages are a great tool if you have the means for it, but a way to get around that is still get a 30-year mortgage, whether it's a 30-year fixed or an ARM, a 5 or 7-year ARM, but have that still amortized over 30 years. What this allows you to do is you'll still have that lower payment of 30 years, but what you can do is actually have your mortgage broker break out what your payments would be based off of 15 years and based off of 20 years, and pay, if you want to pay off your mortgage, let's just say in 20 years, follow the schedule of what the 20-year payments would be and pay your mortgage accordingly. However, if you do fall on hard times like a lot of people did in 2020, you don't want to be stuck with a higher monthly payment of a 20-year mortgage with no option to pay less. We would rather you have the option of, okay, you hit some hard times and you've been paying your mortgage based off of 20 years, but now things are a little bit rough and you want to revert back to that 30-year mortgage payment. You can do that by getting a 30-year mortgage. So again, if you get a 20-year mortgage or 15-year mortgage, that's great, but if you do fall on hard times, you're stuck making that payment. If you get a 30-year mortgage, you can still do the same thing, but you still have that flexibility to fall back to the cheaper payment if things go south, like the pandemic. This is just our advice. You take it or leave it. Again, it's a case-by-case basis. Doesn't work for everybody, but if you do want to pay off your mortgage early and this is something you're interested in, this is a recommendation we have. So as always, thank you so much for watching. Follow us on YouTube, follow us, subscribe, and we will keep pumping out videos for you. Hit us up with any questions, and thanks. See you guys later. Rolling away.